We have here that angle P is supplementary to angle Q and angle S. You're going to prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. All right, to make this life easier, I just threw in some numbers for it to make sense. So I gave angle P here a value of 80. Then since it is supplementary to Q and S, both of them have to be 100 because supplementary means add ups to 180 degrees. Okay, so I can say that angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 because and angle P plus angle S is equal to 180. That's just given. That's the first part. Okay, then I can say that line QR is parallel to line PS. And I can also say that line QP is parallel to SR. Because the consecutive interior angles are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. That is just from chapter 2 when we know that for parallel lines, the consecutive interior angles are supplementary. So that is line QR is parallel to PS. And then this is QP is congruent to RS. It's parallel to SR. Okay, and I show that with the two red arrows. Okay, so I have two pairs of parallel lines. So that's all I need. So I can just say ABC is a parallelogram just based on its definition.